So now we're going to go over how you can cast your desktop screen or just a certain program or something that's open on your computer to a Chromecast enabled device or Google Cast enabled device, like a Google Chromecast, or if you have a TV that supports Chromecast or an Android TV or something like that. I'm going to show you how to do that here. I'm showing you how to do it on a Windows 10 device, but it works the same on a Mac as well. So you can pretty much follow along with these steps and it's going to work pretty much the same. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you have the Google Chrome browser download and installed on your laptop or computer, whatever you're using. And then go ahead, and once that's installed and set up, go ahead and open it up. And once you're in here, in the top right hand corner here, you can see these three little dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots and go down to where you see the cast option. Go ahead and click on cast, and as you will see, here are all the devices that are available for me to cast to. I have two screens. This top one is a Chromecast device, this one's an Android TV, and then I have some speakers I want to cast to. Now, before you select what you want to cast to, you want to look at the sources down here at the bottom. Go ahead and click that arrow. And you have a few different options here. If you want to cast a tab, that's literally just going to cast this Chrome tab that I have open right here. And that's going to project it on the device I select. Or I can cast my entire desktop so they can see everything I'm doing on my desktop, or just a certain file. Right, so I'll show you file first. If you click on file, it's just going to open your files. So you can go ahead and do that if you want to, but we're going to cast the full desktop here. So I'm going to click on cast full desktop. Once I've done that, you can see some of these are not supported now because those are speakers, not screens. So we're going to go ahead and select the TV, and it's going to go ahead and connect. And then it's going to ask and make sure we want to share this. So go ahead and click on your screen right here. You'll see it's highlighted in blue now. And then click share. And once you've done that, you're good to go. And it'll now be casting on that device. You can tell by up here in the right hand corner, you now have this cast icon that is blue. And we are now casting my whole screen to the TV. So I'm not just casting this tab, so if I minimize out of it, I'll show them this whole desktop. I could launch anything I wanted to, any program, file, whatever, and they'll be able to see everything that's going on my desktop screen. So do keep that in mind. And if we want to stop, we just open back up Chrome, and you can go ahead and just hit this cast icon. If you don't see the cast icon, just hit the three dots and click cast. And then you'll get this menu again and you can hit stop casting. And it'll disconnect, and then you can restart casting. And then if this icon appears, you can always just click it and that brings you to the menu. You can also go ahead and change what you want to cast. So say if you're casting tabs, if you're just casting tabs, and you want to now move to a different tab and cast that, you can go ahead and do so if you want to. You just have to re-go in, select cast, make sure you say cast tab. It'll be the tab that you're actually on, and select the device you want to cast it to, and you'll be good to go. That way they will only see this tab that appears here. If you click to another tab like I did at the top, it won't show up, and you can kind of see, it's hard with the green, but you can kind of see this blue square icon. That shows that you're casting this tab and not this other tab. Okay, and then if you minimize out of it and everything, they won't see what's going on your desktop because you're just casting a singular tab. So that's how you can go and cast your desktop or certain items and stuff on your laptop, whether it's Windows or Mac, up to any cast enabled device. So hopefully that helps.